Listen closely. Because what you're about to hear might be the most important message of your day. You are not on this earth to make everyone else comfortable while your own happiness fades into the background. You're not a doormat. You're not a backup plan. You're not the one who's supposed to bend, break, and sacrifice so others can shine. So why do you keep saying yes when your heart screams no? Why do you keep over-apologizing, over-explaining, over-giving to people who don't even appreciate it? Because somewhere along the way, you were taught that being nice makes you valuable. That if you just smile more, agree more, and put yourself last, people will love you. But let's be real. Where has that gotten you? You're tired. You're resentful. You feel invisible. And deep down, you know it's not working. You've been taught to be the nice girl. The one who says yes to keep the peace. The one who stays silent to avoid conflict. The one who gives, and barely receives. But here's the truth. Being agreeable has not brought you peace. It's made you disappear. So let's get honest. Has constantly putting yourself last ever earned you real love? Real respect? Or has it only made you the one everyone relies on, but no one shows up for? You drop everything when someone needs you. But when was the last time someone dropped everything for you? If you're sitting there thinking, almost never, it's time to wake up. The world doesn't reward those who sacrifice themselves for others. The world respects those who respect themselves. Saying no doesn't make you selfish. Makes you powerful. Standing up for yourself doesn't make you difficult. It makes you someone who knows her worth. The more you give without limits, the more people take without gratitude. And if you keep training people to expect your silence, your smile, and your sacrifice, they'll never learn to respect your boundaries. Here's the hard truth. The only people who get angry when you set boundaries are the ones who were benefiting from you not having any. When you stop being the nice girl and start standing in your power, everything changes. You stop living for other people's approval. You stop letting guilt make your choices. You stop shrinking yourself to fit in rooms you were meant to stand out in. Your voice matters. Your needs matter. Your presence matters. And if someone walks away because you finally decided to honor yourself, they were never truly with you. They were with the version of you that kept them comfortable. You're not here to be small. You're not here to blend in. You're not here to be silent. You are here to take up space, to speak boldly, to live fully. This is your wake-up call. Stop apologizing for taking up space. Stop waiting for permission to live the life you want. You don't need approval to be powerful. You already are. The moment you start honoring your worth, the world will too. But it starts with one word: no. Say it. Mean it. Protect your peace. And never apologize for choosing you.